Hi guys, hope you are doing amazing. So I'm meeting you guys after a long time. So the last video I uploaded was sometime in mid of August, and now we are at end of August. So I was not keeping well. I had this really annoying stomach bug. I'm still recovering. It gave me so much gas, it gave me so much trouble. I couldn't eat much and I just really didn't have the energy to come and film a video. So enough about my health, and let's talk about today's video. So today's video, as you might have guessed by the title, it's going to be about Kumkumadi oil and my experience with it and the brand I have been using. So I've been using Tribe Concepts Kumkumadi oil for the past 1 month or so. Kumkumadi oil is not new to me. I have used Kumkumadi oils in past as well. If you watch my top 5 facial oils video, you might have already seen me talking about Kumkumadi oil as one of the best facial oils for pigmented, uneven skin tone, the skin that lacks glow. Something that I have been doing regularly and I really enjoy it because it's really fuss free and it has been bringing results, is applying Tribe Concepts Kumkumadi oil every evening and then washing my face with the facial cleanser they have. This two-step routine is working really well for me. So all their products are made of organic ingredients, and I'll quickly talk about the oil that I have been using for the past 1 month. So I'm talking about 24K Kumkumadi oil from the Tribe Concept. This is an oil blend, so this has a lot of other ingredients apart from saffron, so which makes it quite a potent oil, and it looks very beautiful. It has a beautiful red tinge to it. So this is a skin brightening, anti-aging and even tone, healthy, radiant, glowing skin serum. You should give this a shot. So how I use it, I'll just quickly tell you. So I have just cleansed my face. I use my face wash, and on my bare skin, which is a bit damp, I apply 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My skin is dry, so 5 drops are good for me, but if your skin is oily, you can reduce the amount. So I like to give myself a nice massage with this oil. I massage my face very gently in outwards and upward strokes, and I never forget my neck and the chest area. You can apply it under your eyes as well because it also works on dark circles. So this is kind of one oil for most of the issues that you face. I really enjoy face massages. They are very relaxing. I have definitely seen smoothness in my skin and also evenness in my skin. My skin was already pretty good, but you know, when you see a smoothness and a bit of glow on the cheekbones, it makes you really happy. So that's what I have observed ever since I've started using this oil on my face, and I'm going to leave it on for 30 minutes, good 30 minutes, and then I will show you how I remove it. And I have just made a paste out of the facial cleanser. I'll just quickly show you which facial cleanser I'm talking about. This is Face Brightening Daily Cleanser from the Tribe Concept. So this is a 3-in-1 skin cleanser made with 12 natural organic ingredients. So it has organic sandalwood, manjistha, vetiver, sugandhi root, and lot of good stuff here. So the jar is of stainless steel, and it also comes with a spoon here, which is also stainless steel. So you can repurpose it, reuse it, probably store your spices in here. So all you have to do is take 1 teaspoon amount of powder. I have taken it in a dish, and just add some water and make a fine paste, and then apply that paste on your face. I generally leave it on for good 1 minute and then massage it in circular motions and wash off. This is a facial cleanser which can be used in 3 ways. So it can be used as a facial cleanser, like a cleansing powder. It can also be used as a scrub, and it can also be used as a mask. So it is very, very gentle. It doesn't dry out my skin, and it is meant for brightening your complexion. So these two products, if they are used together, give your skin a really beautiful glow. I also personally love their root strengthening hair conditioning mask, which is amazing. I have done a video already using that product. I'm going to link it in the description box. Do not forget to check it out. They also have a very amazing, very nice body cleanser. So if you leave the oil for half an hour on your skin will soak the amount it requires, and whatever is left on your skin, you can always wash it off. I'm going to quickly wash my face and come back. So I'm back after washing my face, and I'm sure you guys can see that my skin is looking pretty nice, very soft to touch, and it is feeling very supple. Next, I'm going to talk about Organic Total Body Cleanser. This is for smooth, bright and radiant skin. So it has organic green gram, sandalwood, dried fenugreek leaves, dried rose petal, kasturi turmeric, holy basil leaves, and lot of good stuff here. Best part is you can read about all the ingredients that are always mentioned on the back of the product on the labels. Using the body cleanser is again very easy. You have to take the adequate amount and make a paste and then massage it on your body and wash it off. So the paste again is very smooth. It's not gritty or harsh. You can use it daily. It gives you such a beautiful spa-like experience at your home, and I really love how the product smells. I'm going to link all the products in the description box. Do not forget to check it out. I might have a code, a discount code in case you want to buy something. And yeah, that was about it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye.